Hi guys, welcome to Byte Official, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a very old device like the Samsung Galaxy Y and convert this into a network as storage. But before starting, the intro. So in order to create this NAS, I'm going to use this smartphone. This is the Samsung Galaxy Y and this 32 GB SD card by SanDisk as the storage. Okay, and fun fact, this phone belonged to my father a couple of years ago, and this was our family's first Android device and our family's second device with a touch screen. So I have popped out this cover and I'll insert this SD card into this. By the way, you can skip this SD card if the device has enough memory. Okay, this is gone, and let me close this. And now let's turn on this device. And let's wait until this device turns on itself. And by the way, this is the Samsung Galaxy Y, which is running Android 2.3, that is Android Gingerbread, and it has around 200 MB of RAM and 2 gigs of storage. Okay, so the device is turned on and it is preparing the SD card. So let's give it a couple of more seconds and then we'll proceed further. So we can start now. So I am turning on this screen and I'm unlocking this, and over here I have used the, here you can see Droid NAS. Okay, so this is the app, and by the way, the Play Store was not working on this device. So basically what I did, it was that I downloaded this app on my laptop and then transferred it using the USB cable to this device and installed it. Okay, you can also use ADB to install if installation is not working, and I'll leave the link of this app in the description of this video. So let's turn this on, Droid NAS, and this Droid NAS, this application supports Android devices from version 1. Android 1.0 is also supported. So here you can see the Wi-Fi is turned on and I have connected this to my home's Wi-Fi, that is HomeNet 2.4 GHz. And here you can see I am sharing the SD card, camera, downloads, music and photos. Over here you can read about Droid NAS, and here are the settings. So this is the name of the device and I am using the home profile over here. So nothing much to do in the settings. You just need to click on this start server. And now you can see the server is starting. Okay, so finally the server started, and okay, so yeah, here you can see I have got the message Mac and Android clients can also connect directly to SMB double slash, and then I have an IP address. Okay, so you need to note this IP address that you see in this app, okay, in the last line. So, and now I am going back to my Android device and I'll show you how to connect to this NAS. So now I am here on my Android device, and here I need to go to this app called FX. You can find this app on the Play Store as well, and I'll leave a link in the description of the video. And by the way, I am using a cracked version of this FX, but you can also do this with the normal version. A bit it will have some ads. Okay, so this is the app, and here I'll go to network. So once I select network, you can see that here I have a plus sign at the bottom. So I have to click on that plus icon, and then I have to select Windows host SMB. Okay, now here I need to type in the IP address that is shown in the Droid NAS app on my that older Android smartphone, that is the Samsung Galaxy Y. So on my it is given as 192.168.1.36 colon and 46158. So 46158. Okay, here you can give it any name. I am giving it as NAS. After that, you have to go to the authentication and check the no password required, because I do not need a password because I haven't saved any password in the Droid NAS app. After this, you have to go to advanced and you have to use the SMB1 protocol. Okay, you can first try with SMB2 plus, but if it doesn't work, use SMB1, because my device is very old and it does not support SMB2, so SMB1, and tick mark this use alternate port. Okay, also you need to make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi network, the same network on which your NAS is. Okay, so my both Galaxy Y and this phone are connected to HomeNet 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, so this is done. Now I'll click on this check mark and here you can see my NAS. Now when I select this, I have connected to my Droid NAS. Okay, and here are some files. Okay, so now let me show you the transfer speeds as well. So let me transfer something. So have I got something? Okay, let me transfer this. So if I copy this from here and I'll again go to network, my NAS, SD card, and I will paste it. So this is the speed. So since my NAS device is very old, so I am getting a very slow speed on this, but you can get a better speed if you have good device. Okay, so I won't recommend this for most use cases. I just did this to just experiment and make a video on it. Also you can do it for your projects, but don't expect something amazing. Okay, so that was all from my side and I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.